Okay, you already know that I definitely filmed a day in the life of a neuroscientist, giving my first ever lecture edition. Gotta start a morning off with a nice healthy breakfast, and I cannot tell you how long I spent working on my outfit. I know some of my friends were disappointed that I didn't go with a Hawaiian shirt, but I wanted to attempt to look like a professor, and I guess that's what professors look like in my head. Then I had to go to a seminar, but I spent the whole seminar prepping for class. And when I got back to the lab, this package was waiting for me, and I was so freaking mad because look at all that packaging just for those 2 little bottles. There's so much room in there. Anyways, next I had my lovely undergrad do some very hard unpaid labor of putting together all of these coloring pages and cutting them out. And this will be important and make sense later. Next up, I spent even more time just prepping for class and hoping that I remembered everything I was supposed to say. I did try to get to class early to film, but I failed, so this is actually after class. And this is my entire lecture done at 20 times speed, so this is an hour in less than a minute. I don't know, I just thought it was really important to document the entire thing. Personally, I think it went really well. The main thing I was worried about is that I tend to speak really fast, especially whenever I'm nervous, and so I warned the students at the beginning of class to please let me know if I'm talking too fast. And at the end, one of them came up to me and told me that I actually talk slower than my professor and I was easier to understand. Also, to encourage class participation, I gave out worms on a string as a prize for anyone who talked during class. And there's my worms on a string, and then also those papers that I had my student cut out. I guess I won't explain those and you guys can find out next week. I tried to film a really cool shot in this hallway that I really like, but it didn't really work, so this is just me standing in the hallway. I just really like that it's a nice clear walkway. It's on the 3rd floor, so you get to look down. After class, I spent some time in the lab filming videos, and then I waved goodbye to our little rat mascot and headed to this ice cream place. I had never been there before and got surprised by the fact that they were actually a vegan ice cream place. But I got this Oreo shake and it was really good. Now you might think I got the milkshake because I successfully did a lecture, but actually it's because my first ever paper got published. So today truly was a really big day for me. This is the review article that I've been working so hard on and I am so proud of it. And then I'm rounding out the day by filming more videos and cuddling with my cat.